Smoothly ride your business with stable and flexible hosting plans from top VPS server hosting provider in Japan, Tokyo by TheServerHost. Japan has an enormous influence over Southeast Asia and the surrounding region and is one of the major trading partners in world trade. Japan's economy is amongst the largest in the whole world and is well established economically and politically. Japan has experienced rapid economic growth due to both domestic and international factors. The country is one of the leading developed countries in terms of per capita income. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is one of the most urbanized and modernized cities in the world, housing the capital's skyline with the tallest and most distinctive buildings. The second largest city of Japan is Shinjuku, the largest and most populous central Japanese town. The third largest is Kyoto, the beautiful capital of Japan and the site of the cherry blossom tree. There are also numerous islands such as Shikijima, Ogasawara, Aomori, and others. The server host system is fully compatible with most operating systems, including Linux, Unix, Windows and many others. It provides the user with complete root access to the root server. This root access gives the user full control on the server, including the ability to install third-party software applications. With this Japan VPS server type, users have greater flexibility in customizing the website design and functionality. The server cover system is created based on industry standards and incorporates many different operating systems. In particular, it is very effective for use on Windows servers. It is also effective for use on Unix and Linux servers. The server cover service is highly scalable with various options for server configurations. It can be run as a virtual private server or it can be integrated with other solutions. It offers complete control over the root access to the root server, which allows the administrator to make changes as required. The TheServerHost Japan VPS hosting solution is offered with many different plans, starting at just $20 per month. This web host offers a free website template that can be used for developing a website without any technical knowledge. They also offer high disk space and a highly efficient network connection. They have excellent customer support and provide unlimited email accounts. This company strives to deliver top quality web hosting services to their customers. There are many businesses that have to manage multiple websites take advantage of Japan Virtual Hosting Server. They can save a lot of money and still get the services that they need. Many businesses have found that using a TheServerHost plan has been very beneficial. One of the key advantages of using their plan is that it gives the fastest delivery of services. They have a high uptime record and ensure that they provide the fastest delivery of their services. This is a major benefit to the business that need to have their data up and running as quickly as possible. If you need the fastest delivery of your Japan VPS, then you should consider using a TheServerHost hosting provider. This is one of the best server hosting provider options available today. Another of the TheServerHost VPS hosting server advantages is that they offer complete control. You can install any type of operating system that you like on their servers. You can install software that will give you a higher level of security and functionality. They are completely aware of all of their customers' needs and can meet those needs whenever necessary. They have highly trained staff that is always available to answer questions about anything that you may have on your server. These are just some of the many advantages that you will receive by using the TheServerHost. They offer high-speed internet and affordable plans. They also guarantee uptime and provide full root access. No other hosting provider can offer such amazing advantages. They offer a wide range of virtualization solutions to their customers. Virtualization is a way of managing the resources of a server by creating two or more virtual environments within the same physical server. This company has an extensive amount of experience in providing both full root access and complete control over the entire network. Since this is a Japan VPS server hosting company, you will also get technical support services whenever needed. With this kind of service, you will not be left on your own when it comes to using their system resources and dealing with problems that you may encounter. The benefits of Japan VPS hosting are many. VPS hosting gives you complete control over the operating system, software and hardware. You can customize the operating system and create your own software in order to fully utilize the benefits of VPS hosting. There are several VPS hosting features that give your company enhanced performance and lower cost. High level of performance. With a high level of performance is assured for websites, web applications and even your VPS itself. With high-speed internet connection, you can enjoy amazing performance for both your site or applications and your Japan VPS. With a high level of memory, RAM and hard drive, virtual private servers offer you an efficient way to manage your website. This also has a great impact when it comes to load balancing. You will be able to balance the load of multiple visitors to your site without experiencing a hit in your overall system resources. Load balancing. When you have a Japan VPS hosting service, your site will never experience downtime. Your site's performance is guaranteed round the clock. With this feature, you will never experience sudden downtime due to heavy load. There will be no need to constantly fight with slow machines that can affect your bottom line. With a load balancing service, your virtual private servers will run more efficiently, which will allow them to save money on web hosting costs. Performance tuning. With the best hosting option, you can expect your Japan virtual private servers to perform at their optimum level. You can fully optimize the operating system and tweak your software. With this, you will get full root access to your servers so you can maintain and tweak them as you please. You can use the control panel to do various things like installing software, customizing websites, and more. Control panels. There are various types of control panels that you can use for hosting your Japan virtual private servers. You can make use of plus control panels for managing your servers. There is also cPanel, which is also a great management tool for your VPS hosting. If you want to customize your VPS hosting control panels, you can do so with the help of Fantastico and Event. They have several useful add-on tools like Fantastico, cPanel, POP3, etc. With such tools, you can manage your VPS very easily. More info, https://theserverhost.com/vps/Japan